This is how it comes straight from the box, right from delivery. Comes with an Allen key, sticker, and directions. All right, so we got the Teton shift knob. Look at this thing, super sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and start by dropping down the boot right here. It just drops down. All right, so under here, there's gonna be a little pin. That pin, we wanna move it to the side, and then we're gonna be able to push that up. So now it's gonna come with the Allen key provided, and it's gonna have the keys right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in the dry position so we can get it exactly where we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the dry position, and then right here, you can see the two Allen keys. We'll go ahead and lock it in the correct position. So right here, we can see it has a top one and a bottom one. The top one locks it onto the shaft, and the bottom one locks the boot into place. Right there.